Hi guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to teach you how you can make and expose a WikiFX application. So it is very sad that we found out that the IPC Capital Prime Intelligent Broker has crashed or has gotten withdrawal issues, that many users, they can't withdraw their own capital in that forex broker. So in this video we are going to show you some little information about this broker. After that, we will show you how you can make and expose a approvable expose so that WikiFX can review it within 7 days, and they can see how they can help you to get your own money back. So this IPC Prime Capital Broker, I think it was been unoperated since 6 or 5 months, and many people has invested their own money in terms of they are thinking that they will be getting profit daily or weekly. So that's why the IPC get a chance, or they get a chance to run away with people money or other things, as they are saying they are upgrading and other things. So we wish that they will bring back the money of anybody that they have scammed or anybody they have got these issues. We hope that this will help them to recover their own money back. So now I will open a WikiFX application, and after I open it, I will show you how you can download it. After you download it, how you can set it up. After you finish setting it up, then we will see how you can make the expose to get your own money back. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. If this is your first time to visit our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that anytime we post a new video, you'll be the first person to see it. Thank you. Welcome back. So this is the interface of the WikiFX application, and with the help of this application you can retrieve all your money that you have been losing in forex trading. So since we are going to make a review about the IPC broker, how you can expose them so that you can get your own money back, that they are not reflected in your wallet. So first thing to do is that to download the WikiFX application. So under the description of this video, I will drop a link where you can click the link so that you can download the application and register it, verify your email address so that you can start using it. So now let me go to our YouTube channel. So when you click on our YouTube channel or you open your own YouTube channel, what you have to do is search for the also under the description of this video, you will find out that there is a link. This is the link where you are going to download the WikiFX application with it. So the video that we are making right now, when you click on it in the comment sections, you will see that the comment is pinned. So when the comment is pinned, that means you can even click this link. If you click this link, it will take you to Play Store so that you can download the WikiFX application so that you can make the expose and get your own money back. So now, since I have shown you how you can download the WikiFX application from the description of a video, so what we are going to do now is let's open the WikiFX application so that you people will see it and understand it. This is the best and only application which is providing latest news about forex and almost everything about each forex broker. This WikiFX application company has been providing it free of charge for users to come and learn everything about forex. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to search the broker's name, the broker that you want to expose. We need to search the broker name so that we can see how it's gonna work. So firstly, I think when you come here, click on this place like this. So when you click on this place, right, let me check, IPC capital and just click on search. So this is the name of the IPC capital. So you'll find out that there is some brokers with the capital B, capital E, capital. So the real one we are looking for is this one. So this one is the one we are going to talk about. So immediately you open it, click on it like this. So when you click on it, you will find out that the WikiFX application is saying that 100% mediation in complaint, EMC server response during work. So that means that this is also a new way you can make an expose directly so that you can get your own money in a little bit time. So when you scroll down here, you'll see that maybe here is a news about this broker. WikiFX has rated the news about this broker. You know that the broker is IPC capital AIA bot. So they help system to trade with the bot so that you can get profit within short period of time. So let me scroll up. When you come here, you will find out a place like this. If you click it like this, you will see that there are so many complaints or some advices which you can use to make an expose without losing anything. So now what we are going to do is, I'm coming. Let me show you how you can make an expose after you make the expose so that WikiFX can review it within 6 to 7 days. So firstly, what you are going to do is, after you finish opening the broker you want to expose, click on this place where I have cycled expose. So after you click on the expose like this, just leave it for a little bit time. It will pop up with these menus. So now click on unable to withdraw. Since if you are not unable to withdraw in IPC capital, this is the broker name that you are going to use. You are going to use. So firstly, when you come here, you write the title of what's happening to you. Like for example, I can't withdraw my money from IPC capital forex broker. So this is a title, but remember, all your title, it should not be more than 50 words. So if you write 60 words, it will not allow you to save the expose. So after that, after you finish writing your title here, and here you are going to write the body of the letter. For example, you have been scammed by so broker, and with the time, and you have evidence, and all those things have been to be mentioned in these sections. So after you finish all that, you should click on this place so that when you click it, it will take you directly to the place where you keep your evidences. Then you can upload it and click on release. So immediately you click on release, you will find out that the things is going smoothly. So and you can write the expose. After you write the expose, you pass it through so many people will see it, and it will help them to come and do their own expose too. So thank you for watching our YouTube channel. If this is your first time to visit our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribing button and hit the bell icon so that anytime we post a new video, you will be the first person to see it. Thank you.